I'm going to go over some things about blowing a cut down that a lot of people have been asking about, and I wanted to do it out in the woods where there's water and it's a natural setting just like you were if you were hunting, so you can hear what it really sounds like. We'll get into the quack, to the chatter, 5 cadence and 7 cadence, and joining all that together. And one of the first things we're going to cover just be the basic quack. Doesn't take a lot of air, and I'll demonstrate it. And that's where you want to start when you're blowing a cut down. Try to get it mastered. Don't grunt into the call. You don't have to grind into it or growl into it. It's just air. Just because you've got a cut down call doesn't mean you need to be the loudest duck call in the woods. And that quack is so effective, especially when the ducks are working real close to you. You've been chattering at them, they're kind of wanting to come in. That single quack at whack, whack, whack gets them in the hole and gets them shot every time. It's just something they cannot resist. One of the most effective calls I've used in my career was the chatter. And it has to have a rhythm to it. It doesn't need to be broken up, and it needs to be smooth. I make it just by my tongue. Just kind of but I try to keep it in a rhythm. And that 3 cadence is usually used when they're just right close to the trees. And 5 cadence and 7 cadence is when they're out there. Applying that cadence while you're hunting is pretty important. You know, we were talking like, how do you tell somebody how to blow one? And you really can't. What you have to do, it's up to the individual. Everybody has different body size, different lung size, and it's up to the individual to take the initiative to get the call and give it the time that it deserves to learn how to blow it. Like anything else, it just takes practice. Learn how to blow it on your own, have your own technique. Do what you do. Do it your way and learn how to blow it. It does not have to sound like what I do. It doesn't have to sound like what this other guy sounds like, because everybody that I know that has a cut down, that's hunted with them for a long period of time, that kills ducks with them, they all sound different. My advice is to start off simple, get the basic stuff down, get out in the environment that you hunt in and practice with it. Let's don't make it more difficult than what it really is, because it's not. It's just a learning process. It's an adjustment from one tool to the next. I would say that it's not harder to blow, but it does take some patience. It takes some time to learn how to do it and how to use it. And once you see that you can actually call ducks with it and they're going to come to it, that's what motivates you to get out there and hunt. And once you pick it up, you're not going to hunt with something else. You're going to stick with a cut down.